going after. What isn't out of place here? Don't touch his stuff.
You're taking a while, Jake.
Device, they're all deviced up again.
Well, mine is charging, so. And I need. Mine's all dead, so.
What are you doing? Kiki!
This is my butt cheek.
Charlotte.
And this is my potato.
Charlotte.
What? There's a present in here. This is my butt cheek. This is my potato.
Charlotte.
This is my butt. Kiki.
What?
You can hear Kiki from my butt.
I don't think Kiki wants to be there. That's not like a nice place to put Kiki.
I put this in here because it's my pillowcase.
Yeah.
Then my pants will, then my underwear will fall down. And then I'm going to put this and my penis.
Come on. Don't put Kiki by there. Come on.
Don't put Kiki by your penis. I've got to put it. Do the rhythm. He's taking a video of you guys. Wait, are you putting this on YouTube?
Yes.
No, but I said.
I guess I can't. Okay, enough with the putting in the shorts, please.
Okay.
And get some clothes on. It's cold.